Plans are underway within government to securitize yet another levy. This time, the Railway Development Levy Fund to finance the extension of the standard gauge railway from Naivasha to Kisumu. The move is part of a broader strategy to raise financing for costly infrastructure projects from domestic and international markets without increasing public debt. Here now is Jasmine Wamboi with the details.
The government's plan to extend the standard gauge railway beyond Naivasha has entered a new phase shaped to a large extent by domestic fiscal pressures. The government intends to expand the SGR that currently terminates in Naivasha from the port of Mombasa, leaving a 468-kilometer gap to the Ugandan border at Malaba. That gap has persisted for years, largely because of financing constraints.
It's a big project. It will cost us anything up to 400 billion Kenya shillings. And we need to do that because we are linking up to Uganda. Uganda are already working on that side.
To fund the extension from Naivasha to Kisumu, the government now wants to securitize nearly 90% of the railway development levy.
And we are doing a bit of going to Parliament to amend some section of the Miscellaneous Fees and Levies Act to allow us to be able to sell a portion of that levy.
This levy, charged at 2% on all imported goods, has been in place since 2013. The National Treasury says that in the last financial year, collections from the levy amounted to 36.8 billion shillings. It is dedicated to the development of rail infrastructure. Officials say that while the levy provides a steady revenue stream, it is not sufficient on its own to complete the railway within a short time frame.
We want to raise about 3.9 billion US dollars to be able to build that link. And a lot of work has been done. So as we open the new year, we are opening with very exciting programs.
The financing approach follows earlier efforts to secure external funding, including engagement with China during President William Ruto's visit in April this year. However, the turn to securitization reflects caution from external lenders amid growing concerns on the country's debt sustainability. The Railway Development Levy Fund is the latest in a series of public funds targeted for securitization. The government has already securitized the Road Maintenance Levy Fund and plans to eventually securitize 4 funds in total, including the Sports Fund and the Tourism Fund. Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen.